Sleep O2. Understand and improve your sleep more easily. Oxygen is essential for life. However, many people are suffering from shortage of oxygen during sleep without awareness. Snoring may be a signature of sleep apnea, which is a serious sleep disorder that will snatch your oxygen every night and threaten your health in the long term. Here comes the Sleep O2. Now there's Sleep O2. It will continuously monitor your blood oxygen and heart rate overnight. The built-in smart vibration will silently nudge you to change position for more oxygen when low oxygen level is detected. The unique ring sensor provides the unique experience. The innovative design frees your finger, increases wearing comfort, and specially never falls off. The app will show you a detailed report of your sleep, including analysis results and visual charts, especially details about oxygen drops.